Hi guys, welcome to Marketing with AI. I'm Phil, and today I'm going to show you how to produce web content really quickly, super fast, that is of high quality, that's useful and unique. The tool I'll be using to do it is called Nichesss. I'll leave a link in the description so you can have play around with it yourselves. And having said that, let's get on and do this. Okay, I think what we should do is start a timer now for ourselves. Okay, so let's start that now. Okay, so we're going to choose two options here, the two options that are actually available to us at the moment. This will change as the product is being developed. So test marketing Inc. and this was pre-populated before. Blog category marketing tech. We'll just change this to small business marketing. If I can get the spelling right, it'd help, wouldn't it? So marketing tech for small businesses, which is, yeah, I think we'll stay with that. So each of these input fields, you put your own data in there. So we'll just call this one, why is marketing important? Okay, let's hit generate. Now Nichesss takes about 60 seconds to generate each of these separate content plans. So let's see what it gives us now. Okay, for many businesses, marketing simply means creating a logo and a slogan. Yak to yak, yak to yak. Okay, so we'll take that as the first chunk of data. And I'm going to expand on this. So just bear with me 1 second. Okay, you obviously wouldn't be doing this, guys, as you're actually developing your blog posts. So we've got 99 words there. Okay, so what we need to do now, we're looking at why is marketing important, the advantages of marketing, disadvantages. So what we do now is we just go through each of these. We can expand on these, and we probably will in a second. And what we need to do now is click on Add More. We're just going to go through the blog post intro here. And we come down to the bottom section, title of the post, advantages of marketing. Okay, we'll let Nichesss work its magic. And let's see how we're getting on. Okay, I think Nichesss should have done what it needed to do there. I'm on a mobile data connection doing this, guys, so it may not be the most kind of the speediest process to be doing this one. So let's take this section, Control C, we'll add that to our characters here. I won't put the titles in, guys, we can do that as we come back to clean up our blog post. So what would we have? Disadvantages of marketing, if there are any. I'm not aware of any, but we're going to find out, aren't we? And the same process, guys. We're going to add blog post intro, all the way down to the bottom. Copy and paste. Disadvantages of marketing. Won't have as a question. Click on generate more. And we'll see what Nichesss gets for us. I'm going to leave the timer running, but I might stop the video. I'm not sure yet, to make this a little bit more expedient for you guys, not quite as painful to watch. This marketing is, pardon me, marketing is lifeblood. Control C, and let's go to down to the bottom. And how to measure your marketing goals. Okay, so this is how to measure your marketing goals. And we refresh that again and see how we're getting on. $946. So when we add the titles to this, we will be up to the 1,000 word mark, I believe, and that's how you go about generating a full 1,000 word blog post with Nichesss in, I think we had it in, actually, let's just check, in 13 minutes, which is pretty good in my book. So hope that helps, guys, and if you've got any questions, give me a shout.